Well, it's been around about 2 months having the Automower in our front lawn. The quality of the lawn's been very good. It keeps the grass down, keeps the heads off any weeds that come up, so the grass has a chance to really splay out. The quality of the lawn's vastly improved. I have more time to look after the finer details of the lawn so that I can actually get it up to, my intention anyway, is to like a bowling green type status. With all this extra time that I've had because I've had the Automower on the front lawn, I've spent a fair bit of time preparing a veggie patch. With the Automower, one thing you'll notice is that you don't get these heads of the weeds sprouting. And that's actually what causes the weeds to propagate. You can see here, this is a perfect example of the difference between the Automower and the manual ride-on mower. This grass behind along that line's probably 2 weeks since I mowed it. Just want to play with the front lawn a little bit more, get that a little bit more presentable and keep the Automower on that, and then do the same to the back. And it's got the capacity to actually do both, the front and the back. If I trim these hedges and with the Automower on here, it would like come up beautifully. Yeah, that's the plans.